Welcome back to BSU for the fall 2018 semester. We're excited to show you some of the things that we've been working on. IT will be relocating all support services to a single, centralized location in the Maxwell Library. This brings the team together and aids in expediting resolution time for tickets and requests. To ease the transition, IT will be piloting use of an Amazon Alexa device at the former Moakley location for access to live video support. In addition to the Alexa self-service kiosk located in Moakley, BSU students, faculty, and staff will be able to bring in their own personal digital assistants and connect to the BSU network. BSU's own radio station, WBIM 91.5, has a new satellite studio located on the bottom floor of the Rondeau Campus Center. Stop by and check it out. OneDrive for Business offers BSU students, faculty, and staff the ability to share files and work collaboratively from any place at any time. BSU employees have an additional functionality to create Skype for Business meetings that include a dial-in number. WEPA is a flexible cloud printing solution that allows BSU students to upload documents and print them anywhere a WEPA kiosk is located. Students can print documents using cloud printing or a USB drive. BSU students can now borrow a laptop, MacBook, Chromebook, or iPad from the library. It's just as simple as checking out a book at the circulation desk. BSU commuter students will be able to see available parking in the parking garage and Spring Street lot via the Smart Parking Pilot in the BSU mobile app.